Okay. Now, students, I will discuss first of all question number first, second part. Question number first, second part. See, students, if 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 raised to power 3, if 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 raised to power 3 is equals to 3 raised to the power x is equals to 3 raised to the power x. I have to find out the value of x. I have to find out the value of x. See, 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 3 times I have to multiply 2. Okay. And this means, students, and this means 2 into 2 into 2 means 8. Because 2 to the 4, 4 to the is 8. So the value of this is 8 now. Plus 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1. And 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Now 3 raised to the power x as it is. 3 raised to power x as it is, students. Now this 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9, students. And this 3 raised to the power x as it is. 3 raised to the power x as it is. Okay. This 9, students, if I take this 9, 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3, that means 3 square. So 3 raised to the power 2 is equals to 3 raised to the power x. 9 can be written as 3 square, it will be 3 raised to the power 2. See, both of these are equal now. Both of these are equal and they have same bases as well. So the power should be equal. So if I equate the power, x will be 2. If I equate the power, x is 2 now. And this is our required answer. Okay, students? Now see, students, first question, third part is minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 4. See, this I have already discussed that if I take any negative number raised to the power an even number, negative number raised to the power even number is positive always. Okay, this means minus number raised to the power even will be positive. Okay, now I have to take 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 4. 3 by 4 whole raised to power 4. This means 3 raised to power 4. This means 3 raised to power 4 and 4 raised to the power 4. Everyone just mute your mic. Okay. 3 raised to power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is a 9, 9 is 27, 81, it will be 81 upon. 4 raised to the power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 16, 16, 16. I can write it like this, 16 into 16. No need to just multiply them. 125, this 27 as it is, upon. 5 by 3 whole square. 5 by 3 whole square means 5 raised to power 2, 25. 3 raised to power 2, 9. This 9 and 16 as it is. 16 can be cancelled out by this 16. 16 can be cancelled out by this 16. Okay. 9 cancel out with this 9. Okay. Now 25, ones are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Now students, 9 threes are, 27 ones are 27. 27 into 3 will be this 81. So the answer will be 5 threes are 15 upon 16 into 1, 16. So 15 upon 16 is our required answer. Okay. Okay. Now students, part number 10, third part. Students, we have already discussed that a number whose raised to power is 0. A number whose raised to power is 0, that number is equals to 1. And any number whose raised to the power is 0, that number is equals to 1. This implies, students, we can say that 2 raised to power 0. number raised to the power 0, that will be 1, multiply, number raised to the power 0, 1, number raised to the power 0, 1, number raised to the power 0, 1, now plus number raised to the power 0, 1 plus number raised to the power 0, 1. Okay, so the answer will be 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. So 1 by 3 is our required answer. Okay, students. Okay. Now, students, everyone just mute your mic first of all. Students, in this question, I have to write minus 64 upon 125, minus 64 upon 125 in exponential form. I have to write this in exponential form. That means in power form. Okay. Now, students, see, I already discussed that if I take any negative number, for example, minus 2. If I take minus 2, whose raised to the power is 3, and minus 2, whose raised to the power is 4. If I solve these two numbers, see, minus 2 raised to power 3 means minus 2 I have to take 3 times. I have to take the base as minus 2 and multiply it 3 times. Now similarly, minus 2 raised to power 4. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2 I have to take 4 times. So students, the answer will be C. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 will be there. Okay. Minus minus is plus, plus and minus is minus. So the answer is minus 8. Answer is minus 8. Similarly, students, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 is our answer. Okay. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So the answer will be 16. So from here I have to conclude that if I take any negative number, whose raised to the power is odd, the answer will be negative. That is with the negative sign. Okay. From here I can conclude this thing. And similarly, if I take any negative number whose raised to the power is even, the answer will be positive now. Okay. So I can use these two concepts in our question. First of all, I have to write it in the exponential form. Exponential form means it in the power. I have to write it in power form. So 64. Just take factors of 64 and factors of 125. This, all of you just mute your mic. This will be 32, 16, 8, 2 to the 4 and 2 again. All of you just mute your mic. If I take 5 again and 5 again I can take. This means, see, this will be 2 to the 4, see, it will be 2 how much time? 6 times. This will be 2 how much time? 6 times, na? Or see, the options are, if you just see the options, students, the options are 4 by 5 whole raised to the power 3. First option is 4 by 5 whole raised to the power 3. Second option is 4 by, see, second option is 4 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 3. Third option is minus 4 by 5 whole raised to power 3. And the fourth option is 8 square 5 raised to power 3. Students, the answer is negative. And we know that if we take odd power, the answer will be negative, but the number should also be negative. If I take any negative number whose raised to the power odd, that will be negative. See, the number is positive. If I take 4 by 5 whole raised to power 3, that means I am multiplying 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. That means the number will be positive, so I can't take this answer. Okay. Similarly, students, see, this option and this options are same because This is the simplest form of this. I can't take this as well. This is also positive. I can't take this now. Negative number, raised to power odd, raised to power odd. Answer is negative. So the answer will be this third part. Answer will be this third part. Okay, students.